Hello everybody, my name is Zaidi. Firstly, I'd like to thank you everybody for viewing this channel. Okay, without further ado, I'll be talking about this new Samsung Purple Horizon. So what is this? This is the newest Samsung Flip 4 limited edition that's only exclusively available at Samsung website. So you can purchase this on your website that's available for me. I'm from Singapore, so I purchased at Samsung website. So basically this cost about 1,800 Singapore dollars. So basically what we get inside is the Bora Purple Flip 4 256 GB, the Galaxy 5 purple color edition, and also the Bud 2 purple color edition. So without further ado, let's open it up. Okay, let's open it up. So basically I ordered this about 2 days ago. It arrived today. It's that fast. They will personally send it to your doorstep. So I already opened the cover. It will be this black box. So let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay, let's see. They have this paper. Okay, paper. Okay, the watch. Yeah, the watch. You can see the watch. This is the Galaxy 5 purple color edition. And the Galaxy Bud 2 Pro. Yeah. And also the main attraction, our feature today, Galaxy Flip 4 Bora purple color edition. From the specs here, it wrote 256 GB and 8 GB for RAM, Bora purple. So yes, it's a brand new. So basically, if you buy the limited edition online on Samsung website now, you will get this, and this for about 1,008. If I'm not wrong, you buy these three together is like a very big discount, a very good purchase. Anyway, I do have the pink color Samsung, which is the Flip 3. See? Pink color edition, Flip 3. So let's compare with it, okay? So we're gonna be unboxing this Flip 4. So basically, let's open up. I'm opening up. Let's okay. Voila! The purple color edition. Of course, inside you might get the standard thing, the pin, the manual instruction, but we are not concerned about this. We want to see the phone. Okay, let's see the phone. Wow. Open up. Whoa. See, in its beauty. Samsung Flip 4. Okay, let's peel out this thing. There's a stripe here where you can pull down. Take me a while to find it out. Okay. Yes. You find it open, guys. Whoa. Let's see how it closes. Oh, you see? Oh, so nice. Purple color. In its all its glory. Wow. And let's compare this with the pink color. Okay, let's have the pink color here. You can see? Pink color and purple color, or also known as Bora purple. So yes, and the difference is the battery life and the better processor. This is 3,300 battery life, this is 3,700, and a better processor. So yeah, you press here to on. Come on. Oh, Samsung. You see, Samsung. See the front, there's a light. It's going to the option mode there. So far, response wise is good. Anyway, yes, this is my unboxing. So do get your Samsung Bora Purple Online exclusive. And that's all. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.